Smartphones have become serious tools for street photography, not as replacements for traditional cameras, but as powerful alternatives with unique strengths. In the modern street photography landscape, what matters most is not the device you use, but how effectively it allows you to observe, react, and tell stories. One of the greatest advantages of smartphones is invisibility. Smartphones are socially accepted everywhere. People are accustomed to seeing them and rarely feel threatened by their presence. This allows street photographers to work closer, more naturally, and with less disruption to the scene. Smartphones also encourage spontaneity. Because the camera is always with you, photography becomes part of everyday life rather than a planned activity. This leads to more authentic moments and long-term observation. Street photography becomes a habit instead of an event. Modern smartphone cameras have advanced significantly. Improved sensors, better low-light performance, and computational photography allow smartphones to handle challenging lighting conditions. Features such as high dynamic range, night modes, and real-time processing help preserve detail in complex scenes. Computational photography is not a weakness. It is a different approach. Smartphones interpret scenes using software, blending exposures and enhancing clarity. When used thoughtfully, this can support storytelling rather than distract from it. The key is restraint and intention. Smartphones also simplify composition. Fixed lenses encourage movement and engagement. Instead of zooming, you step closer or change perspective. This physical involvement often leads to stronger compositions and a more immersive connection with the street. Another strength is speed. Smartphones are fast to operate, quick to focus, and easy to shoot one-handed. This responsiveness is crucial for fleeting street moments. When a gesture or expression appears, hesitation can cost the image. Editing and sharing workflows are also streamlined. Street photographers can review, edit, and publish images within minutes. While this speed can be dangerous if it replaces reflection, it is valuable for building consistency and momentum. Smartphones are especially effective for color street photography. Their processing emphasizes color relationships, contrast, and clarity. This makes them well suited for vibrant urban environments, signage, and graphic compositions. Limitations still exist. Smaller sensors can struggle in extreme low light. Depth of field control is more limited. Manual control may feel restricted compared to dedicated cameras. However, limitations often sharpen creativity. Many photographers develop strong styles precisely because they work within constraints. Ethics and discretion are especially important when using smartphones. Because they feel casual, it is easy to forget the responsibility that comes with photographing people. The same standards of empathy and respect apply regardless of the device. Smartphones are also valuable tools for learning. Beginners can focus on timing, composition, and storytelling without being overwhelmed by settings. Experienced photographers can use smartphones to refine seeing skills and stay engaged daily. In professional contexts, smartphones are increasingly accepted for editorial and documentary work. Image quality is sufficient for many platforms, and the storytelling value often outweighs technical differences. The most important shift is mindset. When you treat a smartphone as a serious tool, your approach changes. You slow down. You observe, you compose deliberately. The camera does not define the photograph. The photographer does. In modern street photography, smartphones are not compromises. They are choices. For many photographers, they offer freedom, accessibility, and intimacy that traditional cameras cannot. When used with intention, smartphones allow you to practice street photography anywhere, anytime. They remove excuses and increase awareness. And in street photography, awareness is everything.